Hi, it's Mike DelSignore. I'm outside Uxbridge District Court. Wanted to talk about a recent trial I had where you got to really, when you're in trial and fighting a DUI or an OUI or really any case, but especially with a DUI, you really got to pay attention to what the officer says at trial. In this case, the officer had indicated in his report that certain things, like the client almost struck the guardrail, slurred speech, and really the report was worse than the testimony at trial. And that happens sometimes where you get a case where what the officer actually says is different and it favors the person than in the report. So it's important to understand and pay attention to that and then tailor your questions accordingly. So in this case, what I did was I limited my cross-examination to areas where it would not remind him or refresh him or allow him then to go into other details that he had omitted on direct examination. So the cross-examination was much shorter than I intended, because I didn't have to confront the officer as much as I anticipated. This happens more than you would think. Frankly, it doesn't happen all the time. A lot of times the officers will add stuff that's not in the report. When that happens, you can use the police report to impeach them, to say, you prepared a police report close in time to the incident and you didn't mention that there. If this was true, if for example, they say the client stumbles getting out of the car, you would have put that in the report if that happened. So the lack of it happening is evidence that it didn't. So if something's not in the report, you can argue to a judge or jury that it probably didn't happen, and otherwise it would have made the report. But when the opposite happens, when the report is worse than the testimony, just be careful to not allow the officer a chance to remind themselves or refresh their memory, because sometimes it might be the DA just didn't ask the right question, or it might be the officer just forgot it. So Michael DelSignore, I'm here from Uxbridge District Court. I handle cases out of Uxbridge all the time. Covers arrests from Blackstone, state police sometimes will make arrests in this area, and Sutton police, common police departments. Most of these departments have booking videos, so it's important to get that. So I hope everyone has a great day. I'm leaving Uxbridge Court and wanted to give these tips. Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts OUI lawyer, handle a lot of work out of Uxbridge District Court. We've had a lot of success here.